This thing's amazing. So I just grab this link here and paste it on my X account, post, and voila. Now I can get paid without even having a website. And all of this in seconds. And the best part, it works for anyone. Doesn't matter what you do. Whether you're an influencer on Instagram, X, YouTube, TikTok, you name it. And here's a clever bit. It's not just for creators. It also works for business owners who want to sell on WhatsApp, Facebook, or even Pinterest. And it's not just physical products you can sell. It works for donations and fundraising too. Excited yet? Let me show you. Very good, and it's called paymentform.io, and it's completely free for 12 months for the first 1,000 users. Now we're already at 75% here, so if you're one of the lucky ones who will see this video on time, well, don't hesitate, go on their website right now and get free access. As you can see, 100% free for the first 12 months and 75% claim already, so don't delay, guys, okay? Now apart from that, if you're watching this after this video has been published and once the 1,000 seats have been fulfilled, it's not really important because as you can see, it's still a great deal because 0% transaction fee will be charged on this platform, and this is quite unique. Now, if by the time you watch this video, those 1,000 seats are fulfilled already, don't worry because the pricing is quite low. It's very affordable. You're looking at just $5 per month for such an amazing solution. So let's go straight into it now. So inside the dashboard is very clean and very user-friendly. As you can see, just a few menu items. So the first step is to connect our payment gateway, obviously, if you want to get paid. And you can choose among a few different options. These are the most popular ones. So you have Stripe, PayPal, Razorpay, Square, Molly, and I believe there's more to come as well. So if you wanted to connect Stripe, all you have to do is click Connect Now and enter your credentials. And there you go, we have Stripe installed now. So let's go back to our payment gateway. And as you can see, it is indeed now connected. After this, set up your taxes. So let's create a tax rule. And since we're based in Ireland, I'm going to name this Irish VAT. Is it based on billing address or shipping address? In our case, it's going to be shipping address. So let's select our country. So this is Ireland. We are based in Dublin and the VAT rate in Ireland is 23%. Create tax rule. And that's it. We're good to go now. Okay, so how long was that? 40 seconds maybe, and we have everything set up already. So now let me show you how to create your payment forms so you can get paid from anywhere in the world from your favorite platform. Very good, so back to our dashboard, we go to My Forms, and let's create our first form. And as you can see immediately, this is a very comprehensive solution. It's not just to get paid for products, but you can also charge for donations, set up a fundraising, you can have events, memberships, and when it comes to e-commerce, you can sell a single product or multiple products all at once. Now, if you hover on top of this, you'll have a quick overview of what it looks like in the front end. So very, very nice touch indeed. So let me show you something as well. When you sell products, it doesn't have to be physical products either. As you can see, you can sell physical products, but also digital products. So maybe you're selling ebooks or maybe music or movies or something like this. This is something that might be perfect for you. Now let's pretend you're a makeup influencer. You might want to choose to sell a physical product, obviously, probably makeup or maybe some creams. You might want to select this one here. And straight after this, you can customize your product landing page. So first we have our product itself. So obviously you'll have to upload images. You can upload more than one, obviously. You're going to enter the name. You have your description. You have the unit of measurement. So this could be a piece by kg, maybe per box or whichever measurement you want to use. And then we have the variation. So here, as you can see, for this type of product, which is cosmetic, you might want to add the size and perhaps a fragrance. So how does this work? Well, you create your variation and then you add all the different options. So for instance, in our case here could be fragrance-free, floral scent, citrus scent, or herbal or natural. Once done, simply confirm, and you can of course add more than one variation. And then, most importantly, we have the pricing and stock. So you put the price here, discounted price if it's special offer, the stock available, and an SKU if you want to make use of it. And as you can see here, we have the type of product as well. Is it a single product or is it a variation product? In our case, as you can see, we have different options available. So we're going to select variant, in which case you can add different prices to different variations, just like so. Now, as you go along, you have a quick overview of what it looks like in the front end. So this is exactly what your visitors will see. You have your heading, the title, your pictures, and the description. Now, to help you out and make sure that you follow all the steps and fill out all the details, you even have an onboarding process. If you expand this, as you can see, we are at 1 out of 4 tasks completed, so we can move on to the next one, which is to set our currency. So you can do so immediately from here if you expand, or you can use the side menu as well, all the same. So let's set our currency. So in our case, it's going to be euros. Our tax rule is going to be Irish VAT. Excellent. So as you can see, the currency is taken care of. And now we need to select our payment gateway. So again, by the side menu here, select payment gateway, select the one we just created and confirm. Very good. And we are almost ready to go. As you can see, the last step is to publish our form. So we're going to hold off for a second. Now I wanted to show you as well that this is fully responsive. Obviously, it works on desktop, laptops, tablets, and obviously mobile phones as well. So let's go ahead and publish. And there you go. This is what it looks like on a desktop. Obviously, most people might probably use this on a mobile phone, but to be honest, it's all the same. It looks absolutely great. So let's say if I wanted to purchase one of these, I could select the fragrance, so maybe citrus scent, maybe in 50 ml, as you can see, $1.49. I'm going to add 1 or maybe 2 of them. I can choose as many as I want. After this, enter my name, phone number, all my details, and then it can ship it to my own address. Now we need to set this up as well, guys, okay? So let's go back here for a second. If you want to add shipping, you go here by the side, shipping fee, and then you can add all the different options. And obviously you can also make use of coupon codes. So all you have to do is to create a coupon, enter all the details here, and this will allow your visitors to purchase at discounted prices here at checkout. And again, this is a very easy way to get more sales from your audience. So let's select the delivery option here, home delivery for €5. And as you can see, the total now is $154. I can now enter my card details right here. There you go. And now I can place my order. And there you go. You got a confirmation that our order has been placed. And as the shop owner, this is the confirmation email I received. As you can see, amount $188.27, one-time payment. And I even have an invoice that's been created automatically confirming its content. Cosmetic cream for $149 plus shipping $188.27. Very good. So now you're probably wondering, but how do I share this on all those social media platforms, on WhatsApp perhaps? So let me show you quickly. So back to our payment form, if you edit that form and go to the menu section here, if you go to publish, this is where you'll find all the links that you can share. So you can use this one here, so simply copy and paste it wherever you want, or you can share this immediately on social media, Facebook, LinkedIn, WhatsApp as well, or X. And if that's not enough, you can even generate a QR code, download this as a PNG file, and now you can stick that on your packaging, your business card, a poster, the side of your van, wherever you want. Now let me show you one last little trick to even increase your conversion and sales. Now you may have noticed that the shared link here is using the paymentform.io domain name followed by a sequence of numbers and letters here, which seems a bit complicated to be honest. Now if you want a cleaner URL than this, let me show you what you can do. You can go here and add your own custom domain if you wanted to. Simply enter a domain that you want to use, so mrweb.tv for instance, add it to your platform, and after this you simply need to confirm that you are the real owner of this domain name. All you have to do is to add a CNAME record. But please refer to your register for this. It's very easy to do. It takes only a few seconds. And there you go. Now you can sell on any of those platforms that you want and get paid immediately in seconds thanks to paymentform.io. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.